welcome back to my channel. Today I have another nail video for you. I am going to be showing you me doing my very first ever sculpted nail with a foam instead of a tip, and also my very first smile line on myself. So this is the nail that I did. The cover pink that I've used here, I've made myself. There will already be a video up of me making this cover pink and how to make it. And also this makeup look, if you are interested, the whole idea was this is Valentine's nails and Valentine's makeup. And if you want to find out how I got this makeup, then I will leave a link to my second channel, SJTV Live, and that is where you will find this makeup look. I did a live tutorial of it, and yeah, so if you do want to go check that out, please do. It would mean everything for me for you to have. It would mean everything for me. It would mean everything to me for you to head over there and check that out. So before I end up making this video way too long, I'm going to get straight into it and talk about, well, show you how I did this nail. This nail right here. So basically I've started out with my cover pink that I made myself, as you can see right there. I've already prepped the nail, as in pushed back the cuticle, taken off the surface shine and all that, and I'm now just going to add a primer and a, well, dehydrator and primer. So I'm basically just going over my actual nail now. This is my little trick that I use to get my smile line. I've never done one before myself, and I kind of thought it was going to be really hard. So I thought to myself, do you know what? My actual natural nail looks like an extended nail bed for a smile line. So at this stage right now, what we are doing is just an acrylic overlay on my natural nail with the cover pink. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you might have seen how my videos have been going, and I am learning, I am getting better. This is, I have sped this up slightly. Obviously I'm not working as fast as this in real life. I mean, come on, I'm not that good. So yeah, I'm just going over that nail, and I feel like I've got a lot better. I'm much better at keeping my brush clean and looking after my brush now. And yeah, I'm feeling more confident, and it's making it easier, I guess. I guess the more you practice, the easier it gets. So yeah, that's my advice. Keep practicing. So I wanted to make sure this was nice and thick. I wanted to try to get the end of it as thick as I can, as obviously when I've seen people do the smile lines in the reverse way, they always get a really, really nice thick edge. This didn't go as thick as I probably would have liked it to. I think when I did my finger on my other hand, as you can see, I did this on the other hand. When I did my finger on the other hand, it did go better because I'd kind of learned from any tiny mistakes I made with this. But yeah, I'm really happy with the colour. I'm really happy with this cover pink that I made. I think it went really nicely. And so now I'm just going to get a file and I'm going to file it all up. So I'm basically doing the side walls, the cuticle area, basically just doing pretty much a regular file with this before I start to add the rest of the foam onto it. Once I'm happy with the filing, I've got it nice and smooth and how I want it, I'm then going to apply my foam. Now these are the only foams that I have at the moment. I'm not sure if different foams would make it easier. I find it quite difficult. I feel like maybe it doesn't fit on perfectly, but it worked, so maybe this is just how it's supposed to be. I don't know. Someone, I'm sure, will let me know about that. And then I'm just taking my clear acrylic by nail and I'm just applying it on the foam. Now, all you want to do at this stage is get a really thin layer. I did end up going slightly thicker than I would have liked, but obviously it's my first time. When I did the second nail, it definitely went a little bit better and I didn't go as thick. But because I'm going to use glitters and I do want that see-through effect, I don't want it to be pure glitter. I really like the see-through effect that you can get, and I only have white tips at the moment, so I can't get that using tips. I can only do that when I do a form. So I definitely wanted to get a nice see-through effect. But yeah, I would definitely have gone slightly thinner before putting the glitter on, but never mind. So as you can see, I'm kind of just trying to get it where it should be. I wasn't too concerned about actual like shape at this stage. I was more concerned about just getting it there, and I thought I'll just file afterwards, but I think I did alright with the shape. So yeah, you can see I'm just trying to shape it up a little bit there. And then once I've got all the shape in, I'm going in with my glitter, just picking up, brushing the monomer, brushing the acrylic, just a little small acrylic bead of clear, and then into the glitter. I started off with the dark pink glitter. And then I went in with a lighter pink glitter, which I don't believe I have shown you, but they're basically just pink glitters that I got in the Amazon acrylic starter kit that I got. Obviously you can use any kind of pink glitters for this, but these are not like any special brand or anything. Now, when you do this and you have your smile line and you're doing your glitter, you need to remember when you're doing glitter, you're always going to need to cap it with a clear. So this is where I'd put too much clear on and made that too thick, so that when I went in with a layer of glitter, it was too thick. It could have done with being slightly thinner, so I had more space to put clear on before filing it off the smile line, if that makes sense. I really hope that makes sense. But yeah, I mean, it still worked, it still went alright, but I would just advise you want to make sure there's a tiny little gap so that you can put clear on top and then file around the smile line and what have you. But yeah, it went alright anyways. So I'm just pressing it all down now and trying to shape it in a little bit. I did also realise that I hadn't quite pinched the form as much as maybe I should have done. Obviously I was trying to get more of an almond shape than an actual stiletto, but obviously you still want it to be pinched and you want to get a nice C-curve whatever shape you're doing. But as this was my first time with the form, I hadn't really pinched it in as much, so it was a little bit flatter than I would have liked. But hey ho, we learn. And hopefully I can make the mistake so that you guys don't have to. So once I have covered the rest of that glitter in as much clear as I can, I didn't want to get any clear on the nail bed because I was going to be filing off all of the whatchamacallit. I was going to be filing off the glitter, so obviously I wanted to just get it over the glitter and not on the smile line bit on the nail bed. So I've taken the form off and then I'm just going to file. Now I need to get the glitter off the nail bed so that it looks more of a sharper smile line. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to give it a bit of a shape as well with the file. Just waiting for it to dry. You want to make sure it's nice and dry, and you'll be able to tell when it's dry by just tapping on it, and it'll make a really like hard tapping sound. Did try pinching it a little bit again. Obviously that was not going to work. It's already too hard for that. So I'm just filing away the glitter that I don't want and also giving it a little bit of a shape. Then once I'm happy with it, I'm going to just go over with clear acrylic just to finish off and just make sure that it's all nice and capped and going to be nice and safe and nice and protected. Then once I've done that, I'm going to give it a really good file. This is going to be like my finish filing. My little finish filing stage where I give it a really good file. Then I'm going to take my buffing black and just buff over it all, make sure it's all nice and smooth because we want it to be nice and smooth. Once it's all nice and smooth, I am then going to make sure, obviously, brush all the debris. No, it's not debris, is it? Brush all the dust away, basically. And I'm going to go in with my Nails clear top coat. This isn't a gel, it's just an air dry top coat. But look at the glitter. Look at it sparkle! Oh, I just love it. Love it. Oh my god. I'm so happy with this nail, you guys. That is my finished nail. It's all sparkly. I just love it. I think it's beautiful. And I actually think I did an alright job. Let me know down below, all my little nail tech professionals down there, if you think I did an alright job. Bearing in mind, it was my first sculpt, my first smile line. I am new to acrylics and I'm just learning. But yes, that is it, guys. I hope you like this nail. I'm really pleased with it. Obviously, there's things about it that I would have done slightly different, and that's what we learn all the time as we're going along doing these things. And yeah, there are little bits that I might have done slightly different, like pinching it more, doing the thinner layer and stuff like that, but that's what we're here for. We're here to learn, and I hope you guys can learn from what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. And ta-da! So yes, if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. It gives me a bit more confidence and makes me feel like maybe I am doing something a little bit right. And also make sure you are subscribed if you're new to my channel. Hello, hi, how are you? Please subscribe, and also do go and check out SJTV Live for this makeup look, and subscribe over there too because there's going to be lots more videos going on over there. It's going to be mainly live videos and possibly vlogs, and also Vlogtober and Vlogmas and any main vlogging things. If we can build the channel up, then that is what we're going to do. We're going to have it all over there. So I'm going to end this video now before it gets too long. Thank you so much for watching. I really do love you guys so much. I'm enjoying my little nail journey that I'm going on. Also, if you want to see how I did the entire nail look, that video will be up probably after this one. So keep an eye out for that, and I'll see you next time. Bye!